Sometimes making money in general can wear you out. Well, you can certainly earn big bucks, but you can't help but feel exhausted and drained sometimes. Some are going to ask you to fulfill some very complicated tasks or allot hours and hours of work. Some may be very hectic and may even require you an investment. It surely can be tiring, right? But what if I tell you that you can actually turn your life around and make money with little effort made, as you're just going to need yourself, your device, and an internet connection? Rest assured that this method is 100% free, so you don't need to worry about anything regarding investments, charges, or any sort of payment. You are absolutely going to love this entire thing because it caters to a wide set of people, as it is available worldwide in any country in the world. US, Philippines, China, Canada, you name it. This is available anywhere. If you think that's all so great, wait till you hear about the requirements. Here's the thing. There's none. You don't need any technical skill or prior experience to pull this entire process off, so just be yourself and that's it. This method just surely sounds so perfect, right? Well, you're about to get your hands on this, so make sure to stay with me and watch this video all throughout. Just a warning though, never skip ahead so that you won't miss any vital information that you need to make money out of this method.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
First and foremost, you are going to visit the website called clearvoice.com, and right off the bat, you are greeted with these words: creating for you, with you, to grow your brand. Major projects to enterprise scale with fully managed freelance content teams. You can just navigate through the page and find out everything you need to find out, just to feed your curiosity. But as for this video, just allow me to pierce right through the gist and scroll all the way down to the bottom-most part of the page. Once you're at the bottom, I want you to click on For Freelancers, which is right below the section for all links. After clicking on For Freelancers, you will find yourself being taken to this page where you can now sign up right here, right now. As of now, you can immediately sense that this method is entirely so easy that you already get to sign up even before doing anything. But what will you actually do on the website, you may ask? As a freelancer, you're simply going to upload some articles and easily make an amount as huge as $642 every single day. Yeah, take that in. $642. That's just breathtaking. Anyway, I'll be showing you everything in a complete step-by-step process, so just lend me your fullest attention and listen in very closely to everything that I'm about to tell you. Let's begin the sign-up process right on this page. And you can see right here that they're looking for clear voices. You can secure freelance jobs that are most definitely worth your time. Sounds promising, huh? So without further ado, carry on with your registration and type in your first name and your last name. After that, all you have to do is click on this blue button that says Get Started. And there you have it. You're all done with the registration. A successful one at that. Once you're logged in, the next thing that I want you to do is set up your profile by uploading a display picture right here. This will then help you build your account as a trustworthy one, which will then attract more and more job opportunities. You can further set up your profile by uploading articles, and I'll be showing you how you can do that right about now. On the same page, I want you to scroll down until you can find these people right here under the category See Who's in Our Talent Network. Just click on any one of these people right here and you will then be redirected to their profile. As you can see, this one already has an established account to make him a very reliable freelancer. And surely, they earn a lot of money by now. And you are totally going to be one of these people if you continue to watch this video, so stay tuned for every little detail. On his profile, I want you to scroll a bit down and you will then discover tons of various articles with corresponding categories. These articles are actually created by this guy, which is the name on this profile. And the categories are there to sort the articles easily. With this huge assortment of articles, they're going to get paid tons of money because a lot of people head on to ClearVoice and look for articles for specific categories. If they look for articles on software and tech, then this category chatbots and AI will fit the term. Now, if a visitor will click on a freelancer's profile, they will also click on your article, and that is how you're able to generate money. With this guy's articles, which are a lot, consider this as your inspiration and how you're going to work your way up to this money-making method. But wait, what if you lack the skill in creating articles? Well, worry not, because I'm going to show you a not-so-little secret that will do all the work for you, which means you simply have to relax. The extent of your work is only limited to a simple copy and paste, and let's face it, that's not even that big of a deal.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
So where were we? Right, I'm now going to show you the first website where it will do some money-making magic. And it's called killerplrarticles.com. As soon as you visit the page, you can instantaneously see what it's about. This is where you're going to find fresh label content articles in unlimited supply that are absolutely for free. As you scroll a little bit down, you can find a wide array of PLR article categories right here on the left side, as well as some recently viewed PLR articles right here on the right-hand side. Keep in mind that all of these articles are copyright free, which means that you can just use them anytime and in any way that you want. This includes reselling the article and using it for commercial use, so consider it your own and use it to make money. With that said, let's locate the perfect article for us to upload in clear voice and make fat stacks of cash in return. On the main page, I want you to click on this hyperlink right here which says click here to browse categories, and you will be taken to this page where you can now view hundreds of further article subcategories. Now let's say we are just going to put our complete effort for business and economy. Simply choose whatever subcategory indicated here, such as advertising PLR articles. After clicking on that category, you will then be redirected to yet another page where you can now access the actual articles that belong in the advertising category. Out of the wide variety of articles you can find, you have all the liberty in the world to browse the pages and find the best article according to your own liking. And in case you forgot, this is just from one category, so imagine the limits of your earning potential if you allot more time in visiting other categories. Your income will definitely go beyond to raise the roof. Alright, so let's not prolong the agony and head on to the download the article by signing up for an account for free. On this page right here, you can register for a free account by inputting your full name, your primary email, and your password. After that, just click on this button below, and in as easy as 1, 2, 3, you now have completed your registration. After successfully downloading the chosen article, I want you to copy the link and head back to Creative Voice and find this green button right here which says Add Content. After doing so, you will then find this interface where you are now just going to paste the link of the article, and in a quick blink of an eye, your article is right now on the website. But wait, before you celebrate, there's something you should do to gain more traction and allow your article to be visible to anyone anywhere. You are just going to input some details about your article starting with a category, where you will input business. After that, just click on the down arrow and select the option for writer to fill in the question for the primary role. Next, just select the option for article for content type. Now once you're through with that, fill in the section by choosing published content. Let me tell you something now. It's highly important that you will not miss this step, so make sure to review all the details to see if it correctly aligns to what I'm telling you. I just want to help you guys earn some money, so be sure to follow everything. Lastly, for the description, you can just write a little something that describes your article, and then there's nothing else left for you to do except to hit that update button. This is where you celebrate, because finally you've now published your very first article. You can just go back to killerplrarticles.com anytime you want in order to copy more and more articles and paste it right here on Clear Voice. By doing this, you're able to generate multiple streams of income, which literally makes your earning potential limitless.
And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.